family helped us through this difficult time. In India, according to tradition, the whole family lives together. Everybody, parents, children, and the sons' wives and children. There were sometimes more than 30 people in the house, so we didn't really have to take care of ourselves. In those days, I was young and immature. I was even afraid of thieves and snakes. I never went out at night, and I couldn't sleep without a light in the room. I must admit, Ba was more mature than I was. Ba couldn't read or write, so I helped her to learn. Most Indian husbands didn't do this then. After I got married, I studied better than before. I even won some prizes, but that was only because the other students weren't very good. I didn't enjoy sports, and in the higher grades, gymnastics and cricket were obligatory. I didn't want to take part in these because I thought physical exercise shouldn't be part of school life. I heard that long walks were good for one's health, so I started to walk regularly. But I was still thin and weak, and envied the bigger, stronger boys in my Rajkot neighborhood. I especially envied a Muslim friend called Sheikh Makhtab. He could run long distances very quickly. One day we discussed our differences, and my friend said something very interesting. "You're weak and frightened because you are a vegetarian," he said. "I'm strong and brave because I eat meat." "But I can't eat meat," I answered. "My religion doesn't permit that." Sheikh Makhtab said, "But if all Indians eat meat, we will be strong and we can fight the British. Then they will leave our country and India will be free." This was the first time I thought about British rule in India. British rule started in India 11 years before I was born. It was hard for me to imagine any other system in our country. Sheikh Makhtab tried to convince me. "Many of our teachers and important people in our town eat meat," he said. "It'll make you healthier." In the end, he convinced me to try to eat meat. Chapter 2. M.K. Gandhi, Lawyer. One day, Sheikh Makhtab and I went down to a quiet place by the river. He brought cooked goat's meat with him.